It's 2025 and what people find attractive has changed. One feature that a lot of people find good looking these days is a sharp jawline. I was not happy with the way my jawline looked 5 months ago. All you do is place this tape on your mouth before you go to sleep at night. When you cover your mouth, you're preventing mouth breathing. Mouth breathing is scientifically known to be detrimental to your sleep, your health, and your jawline. I've tried so many different kinds of mouth tape, but this one is the best. This one is flexible and made with silk material, so it's not going to rip your skin when you pull it off. It's called Snore, and they also include free nasal strips in every bag to help open up your nasal passageways. And they're doing a flash sale right now, that's why I'm making this video. Tap the link right there to get it.